Deaf education isn't just about teaching language or academics. There's so much more involved. Their culture, their world, it's different than being in a hearing world. We are all here together, and that similarity of us. We have some of the same ideas and same things that interest us with that. We do take our mask down when interpreting because most of our communication the depth of it is on our face, so we have to add that nuance. Otherwise, it's like a monotone voice, and students don't like listening to monotone voices even in sign language. When we have deaf people using sign language, the students will be able to see our face. There's expression. That's part of the meaning to our language. American Sign Language has a lot on the facial expression and nuances there. I assign one interpreter per class. There are some classes that have more than one student. So if they have more than one, then the interpreter divides their time accordingly. But normally it's when the teacher is speaking, we would interpret. If there's a video, we would interpret. And then as the students work, when they have extra questions about the language, what does this mean in English, from English to sign language, then we provide that support. Everything is here. It's a lot of body language and facial grammar is what we call it. So ASL is a primary, but I'm able to then use it to teach English as a second language. This is our space we use for remote education and as an office space. This is Dion, who is interpreting a video that the teacher has put out for the students to listen to. He is adding a smaller window with his interpreting on that video. So when they have a remote class, the interpreters come in here, they research the vocabulary, they make sure they have the skills or the signs needed for that course. We add signing to the videos, and we Zoom or offer our Zoom services to the students who are home during their class periods. If they choose to join with us, we can interpret even more things as they're working through their work. And that's deaf culture. It's rich, and its history is rich. ASL is part of it, and so school is not just for academics. Deaf education allows us opportunity to expose them to their world.